In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore the map view for location-based cards in Trello. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool for managing tasks and projects, but did you know it also offers a map view feature? This allows you to visually organize and explore cards that include location data, making it perfect for teams or individuals working with geographically relevant tasks. Whether you're tracking fieldwork, mapping out business locations, or just organizing a travel itinerary, this tutorial will guide you step by step on how to access and use the map view effectively. So let's get started. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. Now enter your email address, or if you prefer, choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft to proceed. If you're using a password, type it in and complete any two-factor authentication prompts that may appear, such as entering a code sent to your phone. When you're ready, click Login and you'll be taken to your Trello workspace. Now that you're in your Trello dashboard, locate the board you want to work with. You'll see a list of boards here. Click on the one that contains the cards you want to explore in map view. Once your board opens, it's important to ensure your cards have location data included. This can be an address, a place name, or even specific coordinates, all of which should be entered in the card's location field. If location data isn't added, the card won't appear on the map later. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your board. Near the board title, you'll see a Views icon there. Click on it. A list of available views will drop down. From this list, select the option labeled Map. If you don't see the Map option, double-check that it's enabled for your workspace plan or user permissions, as this feature might not be available on all Trello accounts. Once the map view opens, you'll see all your location-enabled cards displayed as pins on the map. Take a moment to explore this view. You can click and drag to pan around the map, moving it in any direction you need to zoom in or out. Use the zoom controls, or simply scroll if you're using a mouse. This allows you to focus on specific regions or get a broader view of all your pins at once. If you notice several pins clustered together in one area, zoom in further to separate them and get a clearer look. Clicking on any individual pin will bring up the card's details, such as its title, due dates, assigned members, and any other key information you've added to the card. To refine your view, you can apply board filters. For example, you can narrow down the visible cards based on labels, members, or due dates. This is especially helpful if your board has a lot of cards and you only want to focus on a specific subset. As you continue working with the map view, remember to maintain consistent location entries in your cards. This ensures that all your pins appear correctly on the map and helps you avoid any confusion later. When you're ready to return to your usual board layout, simply click the Views icon again and select your preferred view from the drop-down menu. Trello makes it easy to switch back and forth between views whenever you need. And that's it. Using the map view in Trello is a fantastic way to visualize and manage location-based tasks efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.